So here's how it goes. See a little popping? Just time consuming. If you do it in a confined space, it really messes up the house. Get everything comes out. Looking like this. I'm going to put them into a plastic bag with the other ones so they steam. Okay, right into the plastic bag. Right in the plastic bag. Close the plastic bag up and go on to the next one. Those just can sit there for a long time while we make the meat filling, and then we let the meat filling set, and then we go ahead and do the next step, which is get the skin off the outside of it. You just wash it off with cold water. I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, so now I've browned my ground beef. I didn't need to have you watch how that does. Then I add taco meat to it. Now I will tell you that I probably have done too much because I don't want to have not enough. This will help me also to make the recipe right. Right now I have 1/3 pound per pepper, so I have 12 peppers, 2 pounds of meat. I have just regular old taco mix mixed in with it, and now I'm going to put the cheese on top. Just lay 4 or 5 pieces of the pepper jack cheese on top, let it start to melt, then mix it on in, then let it cool, because then it becomes easier to stuff the peppers. So I burn the peppers, I put them in the bag so they steam, I come to the meat, I let the meat set, I get the skin off the peppers, they're over there steaming. As they're steaming, the skin pops off the outside of them and they wash off real easy. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, Ange, now I want to take a look at how my peppers look. In the steam bag, they come out looking like this. They're dark on the outside, but they're still shaped like a pepper because they haven't baked. Okay? Now we're going to take just, this one looks like a nice one. Cold water over the outside surface of it. And that skin that's so bitter just starts to come off. But because I use that popping action with the torch, my pepper's not cooked. It's a little soft in some spots, but it's not really cooked. I'd be able to use a vegetable brush. Never done that. The more of the skin you can get off, the less that bitter flavor comes through. This one doesn't look like I heated it in quite enough. I could have gone back and got some more. Okay. Most of the skin is off. Little bits I can play with, but I've got 12 to make, so I'm not going to mess with that. Now take the top. Like I told you, I mean, I used to be real careful with this point so I could put the top back on for presentation. That's the one. Nobody cares about it. Getting all the seeds in there. this guy's ready to stuff. Lemon pepper looks like that. No skin here at all. A little bit of skin there. But it's still, you know, it's firm. It's nice. Over and out for now. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Here's one with the skin off of it. Still some pieces on there. I mean, I could play with it forever, but remember, it's only Mexican food. So, in goes the meat. I use one of the like wooden spoon things, and I use the back of it to tamp it down so it gets into the point. And I always make a ton of them because I'm going to freeze them. Now, if I'm going to freeze them, I like to freeze them so 2 people can eat them, so I always do it in pairs, unless I'm having people over right away. So, I go ahead and let me put this down. I lay them all out first so that I can pick which pairs they are. Those are the monsters, whales, and then down here there's the smaller ones. So I usually put one whale and one small one. That's a small one right there. In each one of the things that I'm going to freeze it in, I put a little bit of salsa on the bottom of the pan, put the peppers in, put salsa over top of it, and I sprinkle some cheese just to make it look pretty. So when it comes, I thaw them before I cook them for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour at 375, and you're good to go. Peppers coming up. Okay, we're now done, and here they are. 1 dozen poblano peppers ready to freeze. Preparation time, approximately too long.